Boys and girls, it's time to solve the ending sound mystery. You're going to need to find where your teacher has these little picture cards, and you'll need a recording sheet and a pencil. Pause the video while you go and get those items now. Okay, welcome back. You're going to want to go and find the number 1 card. We're going to start them in order. What you're going to do is each of these cards is missing the ending sound. You need to look at the picture and sound out the word and identify what letter goes at the end. This one is a net. Net. Did you figure out what letter goes at the end? Now that you're ready to write it down, start by writing the first 2 letters or so that are on the card, and then add the mystery ending sound. Did you do it just like that? Good job. Go ahead and complete the rest of the cards that your teacher has for you. Thank you for helping us solve the ending sound mystery.